Hello everyone, let's see how to install a SoftdPAC on Linux. Before starting, make sure your system meets the hardware requirements and has Python installed. It's highly recommended to get the low latency Linux. Before installing, it is recommended to verify that the package has not been altered. Open a terminal and navigate to the folder containing the files. Run the following command. If the verification is successful, the file is valid. Now let's verify the authenticity of the package. Download the Schneider electric public key se_gpg.ask. Open a terminal and navigate to the folder where the file is located. Import the key. Check that the key is imported. Now go to the folder containing the SoftdPAC package and signature file. Run the verification command. You should see good signature from Schneider electric GPG code signing. Now extract the SoftdPAC archive. Open a terminal in the folder and run. Before installing, make sure required dependencies are installed. Now install the platform. Then install the SoftdPAC. Once installed, check that the images are available in Docker. Create your SoftdPAC project. Make sure to avoid uppercase letters and special characters. Check that the containers are running. You should see multiple containers running in healthy state. To uninstall the SoftdPAC, go to the installation folder and run the uninstall script. Then delete remaining files if necessary. Optionally, you can enable the local connect service. This allows communication between a Linux HMI and SoftdPAC on the same machine. That's it. Now you know how to install and run a SoftdPAC on Linux.